Hello my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Kristel and our video for today is where do I get my copyright free music. Just keep your eyes on the video and follow the steps provided.
1, 2, 3, funky.
This is pretty quick and easy guys, so sundan nyo lang ang mga sasabihin ko. Okay, here we go. First step is search youtube.com on Google Chrome. Then change to desktop site. Next, go to your channel. Then customize your channel. And look for audio button or audio at the bottom part, and that's it. You can choose whatever instrumental you'd like to choose. May different genre, may different types of songs dito. Kayo na lang ang bahalang pumili. At pag meron na kayong napili, pwede na ninyo itong i-download. Okay, check natin. Another sources of my non-copyright music is on YouTube also. Let's search vlog no copyright music. And choose what songs or instrumental background you loved. Here are some of the great music. Okay guys, meron siyang terms and condition na kailangan yung sundan para hindi ito ma-copyright kasi wag pa rin tayong mapanatag. Pwede itong ma-copyright kung hindi nyo sinunod yung mga rules nila. You have to copy and paste the description ng songs to your video para hindi kayo ma-copyright. And that's it. Okay guys, thank you for watching my videos. I hope you love it and helps you a lot. Please, if you have a question, suggestion, or recommendation, I am open for it. I'm glad to connect with you and let's be friends. Follow me on my Instagram at Kristel.Jade and into my FB page, Kristel Jade. Link is on the description. Thank you again guys. Sending lots of love. Hugs and kisses. Stay safe and God bless.